Probably did that. Where's the ticket?
Yeah, there she's. Yeah, boy, you gotta go. Hurry your ass, Miro.
Yeah, Lord. One dog, what? It's me, So Real, bringing you my view as another unpacking video. Get it out of here. Cradle. It's a cell phone cradle. Rear view mirror. I looked for it on eBay for sale and I found it for $9. Seen it on Amazon. It was also for $9, but there was a shipping cost. If I can get it out of here with one hand. Here it is. I'm gonna take it out to my truck and try to put it on. As you see, I got it on. You just push this down in to tighten it. It wasn't very hard. You just slip it from underneath, pull up the extension to where it goes over and like bites over past the mirror. And now you just, to give it a good firm tightness, you push on these. Okay, it's holding the cell phone now. We open it, turn on it, got up. We open it up, select that. Stop.